Working hard, 9 to 5, 2 jobs to supply. She's my supermodel.
I ended up finding some stuff that I never would have imagined that I needed. Random, like, kitchen things that are beneficial. What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole if you're new here. My channel is all about home decor and DIYs. We all love our favorite stores like TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Marshalls. So today I want to do kind of like a shop with me slash hacks and finds from Marshalls, because they're all like sister brother stores or whatever. They all kind of have the same type of things, of the same type of quality and like the same price range. So I went to Marshalls over the weekend to just get a few things, and I ended up finding some stuff that I never would have imagined that I needed. So I want to show some of those things to you guys in this video. Random like kitchen things that are beneficial, and I'll show you how in the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do for more content on DIYs, home decor, and all that good stuff. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing is this soap dispenser and dish brush set. So I'm traditional when it comes to washing dishes. I didn't even know about this type of gadget. So when I saw it, I thought it was super cute, and I thought it'll be easy to help my daughter start washing dishes in 3 steps. You just kind of fill this little bowl up with water and dish soap, and then you have the brush sitting in it so that, you know, when it's time to wash dishes, all you do is have to press down on the top of the brush, and it like foams up the brush, like makes it soapy, so it'll be easy to wash dishes. So it's super cute. It's like this wooden color, kind of matches my countertop, it matches my cutting board, and it just goes with the color scheme in my kitchen. So I think having gadgets in your kitchen that are aesthetically pleasing, like most of us are shooting for that, and just makes your space feel, you know, just more comfortable, more aesthetically pleasing for you to be productive each day. So this is super cute. The bristles are super sturdy, and it does a great job at washing dishes. I, you know, set it up quick and easy, and then I just tested it out on some dishes. So I think it's a super helpful and useful kitchen gadget or tool. You see here I'm pouring like this Dawn dish soap in there, especially when you don't have like the little the spray dishwash. Like I did a review on that, I'll link it above, but it's just super easy to just press down, have this sitting beside the sink, press down on it when you want to start washing dishes. I was a little messy, I overflowed it a little bit, and then this is just me scrubbing the cup. I did it on the counter just to show you guys. I didn't want to move the camera, but it's a super good and useful little tool and gadget for the kitchen. Like, I would have never thought to use this. Comment in the comments below if you've used this or you've seen this or you have it in your house, because it was new for me, so I wanted to share this with you guys. Definitely a good find from Marshalls. Next up is this little non-stick pan. So I definitely am a person, sad to say, this was only $6.99, but sad to say, I don't have a lot of pots and pans in my kitchen. I don't want to have that like hoarding type of vibe. But I bought this specifically for my daughter too, because it's a small pan. She likes to make pancakes, and she wants them to be perfect little circles. So I bought this. It's supposed to be non-stick. You don't need any butter or oil for whatever you're cooking. This was, yeah, like I said, $6.99. But like if you want the perfect round fried egg or the perfect round anything that you're cooking, I think this is super cute and super, like I said, I tried these things before I actually finished editing the video. So everything works great, and I only showed you guys the things that I thought worked great in this video. So non-stick for sure. We'll see how it holds up over time. Sometimes I know non-stick pans over time things change, but for us, fresh use, we literally made pancakes. Obviously I'm going to help her with the stove part. She's 9, but I still don't want her, you know, burning herself and, you know, whatnot. But it says no oil or butter needed. So I wanted to really test this out, see if that worked. So we didn't put anything in the pan, cleaned it out, and just poured the pancake batter in the pan. And we wanted to see if you could easily flip. And then obviously with this, you don't have any space. If you're filling up the whole pan, it's small. You don't have any space to like really be able to get your spatula in there to flip it. But it worked out fine. It's not the cutest, but it's It's perfectly round and it does flip. See, I did that here. I had to do it for her because the flip method, because I didn't want her like throwing it on the floor or tossing it on the floor, but it worked perfectly. It's cute. And yeah, so then the next one is this. I'm super excited about this one. It's the ice ball tray or ball ice tray. So I've gone to I went to a restaurant before, fancy restaurant in Houston, and they had balls for ice in the cocktails. So when I saw this in Marshall's, I was like, I need this. I've been like, I never thought to look into how they got it that way. I just thought it was a cute presentation. And I'm like, if I have people over, or if I want to just host or just do it for myself, I wanted these cute, it's just like the aesthetics for me, like certain creative things. I'm an artist, so it stands out. It makes me feel good. So we filled this up with water. Obviously, you can get creative doing it with juice or different types of infused things. But just put this in the freezer. So hopefully these freeze by the time I finish filming this video so you guys can see it in a drink. But super cute, super cheap for like a luxurious feel while you're at home. And then the next few things aren't really kitchen hacks or kitchen finds, but they're like home things that you can find that you probably always want to use or want to restock on. So I'm a candle lover. You've seen probably videos of me saying like how to make your house smell good. Make sure you check out that video. I'll link it above, but always good to have candles, adding additional candles to your house. So this one here, let me see if I can get close up so you can see the name of it. It's called Paradise Lily by DW Home. It's white, so it's kind of hard to see. Hope you guys can see it, but it smells so good. It's a 1-wick candle. I usually like to get 2 or 3. But it smells so good. Like you don't even have to light it. You can open it and it'll like give this aroma around your house. So it smells so good. Always good candles at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and Home Goods. It was only $7.99. I've been needing to really like get my room organized. So never a bad idea to get more bed sheets. Especially if you do the white concept. You always need to kind of like throw out the old ones and replace them. So I got these. This one was, how much was it? $39.99. Hopefully I will do a bedroom makeover video. I don't know if I'll have the energy to do it. Comment below if you would like to see that and I'll try to make it happen. But got these to make over the bed. And then the last thing, which is for the bed also, is this cute little quilt set. So it has like the actual quilt and then like the 2, what does it come with? Let me get a close up. So it's a 3-piece quilt set, 1 quilt and 2 pillow shams. So I really like, this white on white is not really working, but yeah, these little, what do you call it? Tassels are super cute. So the details, all white. So I think the bed makeover is going to come together nicely with this. The only thing I didn't like about the way they package this is that there's like no plastic over here. So I feel like just being in the store it can get a little dirty because it's white. So that was the only issue I kind of had. And this one was $49.99. I guess that's affordable for a quilt from Marshall's. Let me know what you guys think in the comment below. I guess it is cheap. You might get this for like $70 at like a Bed Bath & Beyond or something like that. So I guess it's affordable. Super cute. Look at the details. Okay guys, I hope you stuck it out to this part of the video. I hope this shop with me / kitchen and home finds inspired you to kind of get ready for switching your house over for the next season or your apartment over for the next season and just kind of refreshing. I haven't quite got over the spring cleaning thing. I kind of started but haven't finished, but really just trying to like refresh, clean up, and get things organized for like the holiday season. So I got some good little things to kind of help me jumpstart that. And Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and HomeGoods is always, you know, a good affordable place to do that. This video is not sponsored. I got a comment a while ago about somebody saying I had a sponsored video for a product review. I'm not even on that level yet. I don't even have 500 subscribers yet, so that's false. I kind of just do these videos to show you guys what I like and don't like, giving honest opinions on things with my DIY projects and like different things that I buy personally. So that's false. This is not sponsored. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.